Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered, what if one of those tiny twinkling lights was our next home? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster, right? But with every rocket launch and every new discovery, humanity is inching closer to making this dream a reality. So, what would life actually be like if we packed our bags and moved to space? Let's start with the basics. Where would we even go? The moon is our closest neighbor, just a 3-day trip away. Imagine waking up to a view of the Earth rising over the lunar horizon. A moon base could be our first real step, a training ground for bigger adventures. Then there's Mars, the red planet. It's colder, further, and has a thin atmosphere, but it also has frozen water and a day length surprisingly similar to Earth's, building a self-sustaining city on Mars. Perhaps under giant biodomes to protect us from radiation is a monumental challenge that scientists at NASA and SpaceX are already tackling. Life in space would be a complete reset of our daily routines. On a space station or a lunar base, gravity would be the biggest change. On the moon, you'd be 6 times lighter. Imagine leaping incredible distances with every step. But lower gravity isn't all fun and games. It affects our bodies, weakening muscles and bones. So your daily workout wouldn't just be for fitness, it would be essential for survival. Astronauts on the International Space Station already spend hours exercising every day just to stay healthy. And what about food? Forget popping down to the local supermarket. In space, every calorie counts. We'd become expert space gardeners, growing fresh produce in hydroponic labs under artificial light. Think space lettuce, cosmic tomatoes, and maybe even Martian potatoes. Recycling would be taken to a whole new level. Every drop of water, every bit of air, would be meticulously reclaimed and reused. We'd have to become the ultimate minimalists, living in compact, multifunctional spaces where every object has a purpose. Living in these off-world communities would also reshape our society. We'd be a small group of pioneers, relying completely on each other. Teamwork, ingenuity, and problem-solving skills would be the most valuable currencies. Every person would have a critical role, whether they're a geologist studying alien rocks, a doctor specializing in zero-gravity medicine, or an engineer maintaining the life support systems. It would be a society built on shared purpose and a collective will to survive and thrive. But it wouldn't be all work and no play. Imagine the new sports we could invent in low gravity. Think three-dimensional basketball or orbital parkour. Art, music, and storytelling would take on new forms. Inspired by the breathtaking views of swirling nebulae and distant galaxies right outside our window, looking back at the pale blue dot, as Carl Sagan famously called it, would give us a profound new perspective on our home planet and our place in the universe. It might even make us better stewards of the Earth we left behind. Of course, the journey to becoming a multiplanetary species is filled with immense challenges. from cosmic radiation and micrometeorites to the psychological effects of isolation. The dangers are real, but humanity has always been driven by a spirit of exploration. We climbed the highest mountains, we crossed the vastest oceans, and now we're looking to the stars. The idea of living in space isn't just about escaping Earth's problems. It's about expanding our horizons, securing the future of our species, and unlocking the boundless potential that lies within us. It's a grand adventure, a testament to human curiosity and resilience. The stars are calling, and someday we just might answer and call one of them home. What do you think? Would you sign up for a one-way trip to Mars? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the what-ifs of our future. Thanks for watching.